2:30. Bree's gonna go have a girls' day with her mom and do a big hike, and I'm gonna go do Quandary. Bye-bye. What is up, guys? So I just got to Quandary Peak Trailhead. So today this is gonna be a class 2 scramble. It is just under 7 miles and about 3,400 feet of elevation. Should be a pretty easy hike. I've got some blisters, so that's the biggest thing that I'm worried about. Parking lot's already full. It's probably gonna be a busy trail, but super excited. So this is my push through the pain of heel blisters kit. Well, I'm gonna put this on my knee, but I'm gonna put polysporin, band-aids, gauze, bigger band-aid, wrap over these heel blisters. All right, so I just left my car, walking up just a little bit of the road to the actual trail turnoff. My heels are on absolute fire at the moment. I've had really bad heel blisters the last week or two, but this is the most they've hurt with shoes on. It's almost to the point where I don't know if I can do this, but I'm gonna walk a little further just before I call it quits. But this is really bad. My heels definitely hurt with every step, but not as bad as that initial pain first like 100 feet. So for now, I'm gonna keep going. Check this out. We got some yellow. Fall colors are here. I was pretty surprised on my drive up to see Frisco and Breckenridge just covered in yellow aspens. It was beautiful and a lot more than I was expecting. I thought it was a little too early. About a mile in, looks like I'm getting my first glimpse of Quandary. Looks pretty sick. So some of you may be wondering why I'm doing this with gaping holes in the back of my heels. And the reason is not because I'm a lunatic. The reason is because on July 9th, for those of you that don't know, I had a really, really bad accident on another 14er, and I'm lucky to be alive. So my recovery has been great, and this is, I don't know, I think it's like September 10th or something. No, it's like September 15th. And sooner or later, everything here is gonna be covered in snow. My accident was because of ice, so I am weary of how much snow and ice I'm willing to put myself in. So this is kind of like the last week of the season, and I'm just trying to get in as many 14ers as possible. If I get this today, it'll be my 6th one this week. So it's kind of like a redemption for me. You can see a line of people going up the ridge, across into the summit. Really good defined trail, but really steep and tiring. This is elevation. So still, the trail is extremely well marked. It's just like stairs, but so tiring. For this final summit push, my heels are on fire. starting to get a little chilly, but I'm approaching the summit. Phew. To the summit of Quandary Peak at about 14,226 feet. It took 2 hours and 20 minutes roughly to get up here. I got a lot of crazy looks because I'm in a t-shirt and shorts, but it didn't really get cold until the last 100 feet, and I'm gonna heat up going down now, so I'm not gonna put one on. Got my Lara bar, got my summit photo. Beautiful up here, even though it's pretty hazy from the fires, but heading down. Thankfully, my heel blisters hurt the most going up, so I'm relatively cruising. They still hurt a little bit, but just cruising my way down. Just saw some mountain goats. Beautiful, beautiful day and hike. If I had anything to say about this peak, it would just be that it's super crowded, but it's a nice hike. There was only one point at like 13.5 where I needed to use all fours, and it was like class 2, otherwise pretty simple hike. Whew, back at the van. Car to car, it was 3 hours and 29 minutes. Pretty stoked on that time, especially with my heels and my knee. I did some trail running towards the bottom. I know these videos are way more interesting when Bree is here to bug me and make fun of me, but she is hiking with her mom today, and I think it's pretty cool just to have all of these documented. I'll be able to look back at these forever. So if you are still watching, thank you. See you later.